Hi and hello world. Welcome to the Skills Station. I'm Jennifer. Today we are going to look at 5 unfamiliar phobias you've probably never heard of. Before we get into the list of 5 unfamiliar phobias, let me first tell you what is phobia. Phobia is an anxiety disorder which causes an individual to experience irrational and obsessive fear of a particular thing or a situation. But phobia is much more serious than a normal fear. People get phobia through genetics, or it could be due to some traumatic experience that happened at their early age. There are plenty of phobias in the world, but now in this video we are going to look at 5 unfamiliar and weird phobias that really exist. The first one is Octophobia, fear of home. It is aversion to one's home and its surroundings. The second phobia is Gigliophobia, fear of laughter. People with this kind of phobia fears about laughing or being around those who laugh. The third one is Katissaphobia, fear of sitting down. Yes, believe it or not, there are people who suffer from fear of sitting down. The fourth one is Octophobia, fear of number 8. People suffering from Octophobia are afraid of number 8. The fifth and the last phobia in our list is Phobophobia, fear of phobias. This is the fear of developing a phobia. People with this phobia become nervous even if they think of a stressful situation. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something about weird phobias that exist. If you want to subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. I'll come up with another lesson in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.